Hey guys, what's up? It's Marissa at the Marble Planner and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super fun unboxing haul review for you of the new Erin Condren Teacher Lesson Planner. I do have two boxes because I placed this two separate orders. So I have some accessories and some, kind of weird other things that I've never had to order in my life. And if you have any idea of something Erin Condren recently released, you would know what I'm talking about. But the planner and some of these items I was given a code to go ahead and personalize and pick out by the Erin Condren team. I will say I used this planner, this Erin Condren Teacher Planner last year, and I have used it previous to that, so this will be my third one. I do definitely love this planner. I would have purchased it myself anyway, but they just went ahead and sent me a code so I could get what I want and review it for you guys, and they could use my content. So just be aware, I was given a code to get these things, but I would have purchased them on my own anyway if I would not have been given that code. So just so you know, everything that I'm saying is my own opinion and all of that fun stuff. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get these two boxes out of the way and just open up the stuff just for the sake of the frame of the camera. And we'll walk on through what I got, so stick around. Alrighty guys, here is everything that I got. I'm just making sure we're focused, we are good, we are perfect. So let's walk through some of the smaller stuff here on top first. So first I got these snap-in bookmarks. They are the Oh So Retro pattern. So this was an option for the teacher planner, so we'll see if that's what I chose or not in just a minute. But these just snap right into your coil, and I love them for my life planner, my teacher planner, my notebooks. So they had a new design and I wanted to grab them. Then I have 3 masks here. I ordered 6. I ordered one for myself, my husband, my best friend, her husband, and my mom and dad. So this one is mine. I will have a picture of me wearing it up on my Instagram. But I've tried it on. I don't like masks. I don't think anyone does, but it's cute and it makes me feel better, it being bright and rainbowy like this. So this is the Colorful Waves mask. This one I got for my husband and my dad and my best friend's husband. It seemed the most like neutrally guy one. This is the neutral layers. And then this, my best friend picked this one. This is the Oh So Retro in the neutral. So it matches that bookmark right there. This is just a card that they're giving with most orders that is kind of like, thank you for your business and we'll get through this. So that's a really nice little touch, just a little note from Erin Condren. These two things were free gifts with purchase. So this is a gold inspired bookmark. So this was for being an insider, I believe. So for ordering the first day, so just clips like that. It's called the You Inspire Us bookmark, so that's really nice. And it's just gold, like metal, so that's very cute. And then this was just for until supplies ran out. So this is called a classroom clipboard. It's made of like a chipboard, I would say. And it says, be the person you needed when you were younger. It has a gold clasp up here with a little holder back there. And then the back is so stunning. Make a difference in the world in this gold foil and a watercolor globe. I just love that. It's very, very cute. So I'm very happy that they included that with my order. All right, then here is my planner, and I'm just trying to get it into frame here for you. So this is my Erin Condren Teacher Planner. I just went with a silver coil just so it is durable. You do get the snap-in bookmark, and it just has the little asterisks here, and it is the nice new bookmark that is much better. It doesn't feel like it's going to break. It's like last year's when they reformatted it, so I'm very happy that they reformatted it and figured it out. So this was the cover I picked. This is a green wedding shoes collaboration. I'm just making sure that I'm going to be in frame here. All right, that will be in frame. Perfect. So, well, here you go. I chose Kaleidoscope. So you could get the Oh So Retro option, which again are these bookmarks are the Oh So Retro. You could get that, or you could get this. So the Oh So Retro, I like it. I really do. It has grown on me a lot. I do have a softbound notebook in the classic Oh So Retro, so it would be like this colorway. It's grown on me a lot, but I just love the Kaleidoscope, and I just love the pastel-y, rainbowy colors, you know, obviously look at my cover. So I decided to go ahead and go with it. So you just have your intro page here. Oh, and I did personalize my cover. It says Mrs. McPherson, and then it says Teach from the Heart. I just chose that quote because I thought it was cute. So then you have your All About Me page, your Events and Volunteers page. This I usually do use, and then this I kind of repurpose. I'll use the dates, but obviously I don't really have volunteers, so these 2 boxes I kind of might find a different use for. I don't know what I did last year. Communication log, I do use this because you do have to communicate with, you have to contact parents and whatnot. Your year at a glance, sorry, and you do have that kaleidoscope little pattern running throughout, which I just love. So this goes from July 2020 to December 2021. Please excuse my nails. I had to soak off my acrylic nails at my house in acetone, and it didn't go the best. So I painted over them, but they still kind of look weird and not great, so I'm sorry. But back to this. This is called your year plan. It does have its own tab. It goes from January to December. Last year, I have a setup video last year, and I'll have one for this year too. But what I did was I whited out all of the months and then re-stickered it with Erin Condren month stickers to start like July and go to June, because that's how my school year works. But then I never used it. So I don't know what I will do with this. I'd love to write like units down, like for seniors in 8th grade, like what I want to hit each month, like a pacing guide, but I just don't. I didn't get to it last year, so hopefully I'll get to it this year. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 things of grid paper. So it says seating charts, organize groups, track learning assessments, and log other important information. So log it, graph it, map it, group it, track it. I have taped, oh, I just kicked my dog, sorry bub. I have washi taped in important documents in here before. I have used them to like draw diagrams of my room before, so different things. And then you have 2 notes pages with your gorgeous kaleidoscope at the top. And then this is gets into your month. So this is the July color, so it goes with the July tab. You have a quote up here. You have a full lined page. You have like, I don't know, almost like 3/5, like it's more than half of a lined page here. Then you have dates to remember in July. You have your giant July calendar, which I absolutely love this. The kaleidoscope running on top and bottom. And then you get into your week. So this is the same as last year pretty much. So this is June, that's why it's different color. It moves into July, it goes on a gradient down the page. You have 6 squares, and then you have this other square. So you could use it as like a 7th class. So what I did last year, well, this current school year, I mean, we're still in school even though we're not there. But what I did last year was, this was 8th grade, this was seniors, and then I had an online class that I just kind of monitored, and sometimes we would do extra things in it. So if I just use that for this this column for that class, I will not have that class because I have to add a section of 8th grade next year because it's such a big class. So this I'll probably use as like to-dos or notes or copies or something like that. And then I wrote like important dates or schedule changes under the date over here. So here is what your typical week would look like, where it's all 1 month. So you did get to choose whether this would start in July and go to June, or if it would start in August and go to July. I started it in July because we are supposed to have, well, actually I don't think that's true. Sometimes we have professional development like a week before school starts, and it would be July. This year I don't think that it was. So it'll be in August, but I don't know. I just got it to start in July. It doesn't really matter because I'm not going to use June or July in either one. So at the end of your month, you do get 2 line notes pages, and it still has the blue, so that's how you know it goes with July. And then you flip it, and now we're at August. So we have a quote. It's changed to yellow. Same thing. Our month and our weeks. So that is how it goes. And then we'll look at September just for the heck of it. So you do have your 2 August notes pages at the end, 2 September pages at the beginning, your September calendar, your September weeks. So that is how that works. I'm going to skip ahead just to show you something. If you will notice, Thanksgiving I would assume would be here. It's not marked, okay? No holidays are marked in this, and that is because in the back here, they give you a sheet of these holiday stickers, and you put in what you need. So like for July, Independence Day, National Moon Day, Eid al-Adha begins. I don't know what that is. I do not celebrate or observe that, so I won't put those 2 stickers in, okay? So you get to pick what you put in here. And then there's some cool ones like Friendship Day and Book Lovers Day. I will use those because they're cool. What else? We have Fall Back, Dia de los Muertos, I'll probably keep. Pi Day, Read Across America Day, Women's History Month, you know, stuff like that. So you do get all the holidays, you get some blank ones, and then these flags and teardrops as well, and they are silver foils. So you get July 2020 all the way through December 2021. So it covers you whichever way that you get your planner, whether you get it from like an academic year or a calendar year. But I only go to June 2021, so I would only use through this page, and I wouldn't use this page at all except on my new planner, which then they give me more. So just something to know. So you do get those stickers with it. And then we will flip back here. You can upgrade your coil. I don't know if I mentioned that, for $10. I never do on my teacher planner because I do on all my other planners. So I just save the money on my teacher planner. Okay, so then we get into our end here. So you have your 2 last notes pages, and then you get into checklists. So it comes with, I believe, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope, 7. Okay, it comes with 7. You can fold or cut along this line, as it says, so you could like not have to rewrite your same names. If I were to use these, I use them during student teaching, where we did double grades. So we would keep it in our plan book, and we would go ahead and import it on PowerSchool. No teachers at my current school really do that, so I don't really do it, because if they, you know, don't see the need for it, I kind of just got out of the habit of doing it. But you could definitely keep your different periods in here, and you can add, I think, up to 3 times as many. So I think you can add up to 21 checklist pages for just a couple dollars more. You get this super cute quote with a kaleidoscope, and then you have your sticker pages. These are silver foiled, super cute. Some are the same as last year, some are different. These would fit at the top of your little weekly, your weeks. Some washi strips, and then some just blank labels. And these are silver foiled, all of them. So these I really like. So that's what that looks like. Your giant kaleidoscope pocket, I am in love with it. Let's go ahead and put these stickers here. So an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper will fit. It is double-sided. Love it. I love that I get to keep kaleidoscope. And then it automatically comes with 1 sheet protector. So this is actually what I pulled these out of. It was in the sheet protector. It'll hold an 8.5 by 11. So obviously you can have front and back. I keep a bell schedule, and then usually like the school calendar in here to reference quickly. And then there's the back of my cover. Like I said, it is Green Wedding Shoes by times Erin Condren, a collaboration. And that's the back of my cover. I just love, love, love this thing. This cover and this planner. But that was my haul. As a reminder, I was sent these items for review, but I have used an Erin Condren teacher planner for multiple years now. I used it during student teaching, and then I used it this school year, and everything. So if I would not have been sent this, I would have purchased it, basically, is what I'm telling you. I would have had to had one. So I definitely love them, and all opinions are my own. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it helped you out or you enjoyed it. I will have a video of how I my old planner, flipping through my old teacher planner, so that will be coming soon. Hopefully before the end of the school year, just so it can help you, if you're a teacher, decide if you can make this planner work. I know a lot of people say it's more geared toward elementary. I don't necessarily agree with that, because I feel like you can make it work. I just write like the lines aren't there almost. So let me show you what I mean. I went ahead and made this all pretty, and now I'm gonna, so like if this was my week and I used this for seniors, let's say, I would just write all the way across. So I have done it where I've broken it up, like bell ringer, teaching and like homework or whatever, but I typically just write across. Like, those boxes aren't there, but every week you can change it because, you know, it is yours to do with what you will. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you are subscribed. Erin Condren launch for the life planners is Monday. I'm filming this and this video should be up on Saturday, so it's Monday for insiders. I'm so excited. I'm getting so many things. And I'll be reviewing and showing it all to you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you are subscribed for all that fun stuff. And I hope that you are staying healthy and safe and having a great day. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you to Erin Condren and Tori Johnson for sending me these items. But like I said, I would have purchased them myself anyway. So that's that. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day, guys.